Mozambique lost 95% of its elephants to civil war and poaching. Today, it hosts some of Africa's most thriving wildlife populations. This transformation represents conservation history's most dramatic turnaround on the continent. 15 years of civil war ending in 1992 left Mozambique's national parks devastated. Gorongosa National Park, once called Africa's Eden, had fewer than 200 large animals remaining. Poachers had wiped out entire species from vast areas. Military weapons flooded rural communities, making hunting easy and profitable. The park's infrastructure lay in ruins, with roads impassable and facilities destroyed. American philanthropist Greg Carr partnered with the Mozambican government in 2004 to restore Gorongosa. The Carr Foundation invested over $100 million in conservation efforts. Scientists reintroduced species and rebuilt ecosystems from scratch. Local communities received education, healthcare, and sustainable income sources. Rangers underwent extensive training to protect recovering wildlife populations. Within 2 decades, animal numbers increased by 3,000%. Elephant populations grew from fewer than 100 to over 800 individuals. Lion prides returned after complete local extinction. Bird species count jumped from 180 to over 400. The park now generates significant tourism revenue for surrounding communities. Buffer zones create corridors connecting protected areas across the landscape. Modern anti-poaching technology, including drones and GPS tracking, protects vulnerable species. The success model expanded to other Mozambican parks, creating a network of recovering ecosystems. International recognition followed, with Gorongosa becoming a global conservation showcase. Research stations attract scientists studying ecosystem restoration worldwide. Educational programs train the next generation of African conservationists. While Mozambique deserves recognition for this incredible conservation achievement, travelers seeking similar natural beauty might consider the nearby Comoros Islands instead. These volcanic islands offer pristine coral reefs, endemic species, and untouched landscapes without the crowds now flocking to Mozambique's recovering parks. Comoros provides authentic cultural experiences and world-class diving at a fraction of Mozambique's safari costs, making it the region's best-kept secret for nature enthusiasts.